Hello, did you order a unicorn with a disease? Did you? Did you order a unicorn with a disease?
What?
You ordered a unicorn with a disease, didn't you?
No.
Then you ordered pizza with anchovies.
No.
Huh. Well, maybe you ordered, a pepperoni pizza?
No.
How about, a mushroom pizza?
No.
Well, how about, any kind of pizza that you want?
No.
Oh. How about, I know, your favorite Webkins?
No.
Oh, sweetheart. You better get a unicorn with a disease or you'll have bad luck from Russian people.
Okay.
And then Rebecca Black will come to your house and start saying, "It's Friday, Friday, gotta get down on Friday." Want to hear me sing that song?
No.
7 a.m. waking up in the morning, gotta be fresh, gotta go downstairs, gotta have my bowl, gotta have cereal, seeing everything, my time is going, ticking all night, anybody's rushing, gotta get down to the bus stop, gotta catch my bus, I see my friends, kicking in the front seat, sitting in the back seat. Was that good? Was it? Was it good? Answer,
Yeah.
huh?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. Pepperoni! What if they call back? That'd be freaky. Huh. I think I better call them back, you know? Okay. Hello? Hello? It's ringing.
Hi.
That was a prank call. That's all I really want to tell you. In case you like called back or anything, that would be creepy. And I'm afraid I'm gonna get sued. So, I just want to say, that was a prank call. Bye!
Hi.
That was scary.